Welcome to the world of affiliate marketing, the ultimate platform where earning meets learning. In this tutorial, we unfold the secrets of this revenue-sharing venture. Affiliate marketing is a simple yet profitable online business model. Here, you promote someone else's products or services and earn a commission on sales made through your referral. Now, let's dive into how it works. Imagine you are an affiliate for a company. You promote their products through a unique link given to you by the company, known as the affiliate link. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. This commission can vary from a few percentages to even 50% or more of the product price. So, who can be an affiliate marketer? Literally anyone. If you have passion, dedication and a little knack for marketing, you're all set to kickstart your affiliate marketing journey. The most attractive part of affiliate marketing is the zero to low startup cost. You don't need to create a product or service. Simply choose a product that appeals to you, then start promoting. But how do you find products to promote? There are numerous affiliate networks, like Amazon, ClickBank, and Share a Sale, where you can search for products relevant to your interests or your audience's needs. Promoting products can be done through various channels such as a blog, a YouTube channel, or social media platforms. The key is to build a strong online presence and gather an audience that trusts you. But remember, success in affiliate marketing is not overnight. It requires time, effort, and lots of patience. Constant learning and improving your marketing strategies is the key to grow and succeed. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is a rewarding online business model, offering a great way to generate passive income. It's a journey of continuous learning, strategic marketing, and patience. Start your journey today and unlock your earning potential. Thanks for watching our video.